Hello everyone, I wanted to record a demo of my recently finished Vim plugin. I'm really actually surprised I managed to finish this project. I added all the features I aimed to add initially and I'm proud of it. So it's a plugin named Kisuke. It's a AI integration for the Vim. For example, there is this buffer menu on the initial opening. You can resume your last session or load previous sessions. The first prompt of every session will define the name of that session, and you can change the provider and models from here or start a new session. By the way, you don't have to use this menu. You can add this key maps to your vimrc file and do all of them with key maps. Maybe I will add more in the future. For example, I can add switching to next or previous sessions too. That's a nice one. So yeah, it has session storage, then multi provider and model support, then also syntax highlighting for mostly every language. And right now I want to show you guys how to initialize it from scratch. This is my config file, and by the way, in your root folder path you probably have .config file. In that you will have Kisuke folder. It contains all the session JSONs and config JSON. So for example, this one is holding the provider and model and also API keys. So I will just remove this Kisuke folder from .config file and open it from scratch. So because there is nothing configured, there is only one option. I will choose Google and paste the API key. Then what I will do is I want to update the README. So I will, oh sorry, because I didn't start a new session, I can't mark the file. So I will just add those code blocks, then example vimrc, then server.vim file, also readme file, then finally main plugin file. Then I will just copy this prompt. Come here, and when I enter the insert mode, it takes me automatically to the bottom line. I can't write or delete to this part because this is a buffer type. This type of this buffer is prompt. Whenever I enter insert mode, I go to the end of the line. So yeah, I will just enter this prompt with all the marked context files, and let's see. Yeah, it generates. Nice. And yeah, like this is basically but it generated poorly because of the preview model. I think if we did the same thing with Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental model, I think it would generate something better. Preview model is not good, I believe. So I will just take this, open readme and paste it. And yeah, we updated our readme with all the context files and code blocks added to prompts. Yeah, this is basically the Kisuke. Like for example, I will just select Flash for testing because it's much more faster. Start new session, and I don't know, like random TypeScript job, but it must be really funny. Why the types? Okay. So okay, thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Have a great day.